everybody, fellow makers, hobbyists. It's Clint with Custom 3D Specialties, and today we're going to take a look at the Comgrow Filament Dryer. This is a little bigger box than most filament dryers because this is a double filament dryer. So for all your IDEX printers, or even if you just have two single extruder printers, then you can use one filament dryer. Ooh, this thing's packed in there pretty good. Nothing wrong with that though. Rather have it packed good. Alright, look at all that foam. There's still more foam in the box. And more foam. And there's still some more foam. Oh, okay. So we got a locking lid. That's nice. And we got some more foam. Good thing I need some foam for all these masks. For all these masks I have here. That is in there pretty good. There we go. I'll take it. This is going to be the power bank, or the power supply. Yes, sirree. And more foam. And so on the inside of here, we have dual rollers, independent. You can see the heaters down there. Nice big screen. Let's plug this in. We got our blue light. Plug it into the back. It's the only other outlet on here. There's only one option for filament exit, and if you are only using one roll, there's little silicone covers up here that you can close up that other roll, or the other hole. And there is also a rubber gasket around the inside of here to help keep the moisture out and the dryness in. So we'll plug this in. Let's see what our screen looks like here. We'll hit the power button. So let's see what the manual says here. We're at 25 and 72. I hope everyone's been doing pretty good. While I'm looking this up, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, whichever side it's on. Okay, so we are power button on. Temperature and humidity will be shown on the screen. So the one over on this side, 71, now 70, that is humidity, and 26 degrees Celsius, that is your temperature. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we got temperature setting, that's 40. Then we have time, we have work, back to temp. Okay, so what does this say here? Power on, press M, which is the top one there, to set the temperature, and the temp on the screen means temperature setting mode. The starting temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. See? Press up. Okay, that must be... In the book they have it as a triangle, but on the actual machine here they have it as like a slider bar settings. So you got 40, 45, and 50 degrees Celsius. That's all you get. Then next we have the time. Press M again to set the drying time. Time on the screen means time setting mode. The default setting is 6 hours. Press up to set between 6 to 12 hours. Okay, so if we go here, so that'll be that's how long it's going to count down till. It'll count down from there. And then we have working time. Press M again to enter working mode. The work on screen mode means that start drying. The temperature and humidity in the box and the remaining working time will be shown on the screen. It will be updated every 5 seconds. So, okay. So say I'm gonna do a 6-hour print. Work time. Okay, so while you're running your job, go into work, and this will give you constant updates on how much time is left and what your temperature and humidity readings are throughout the whole length of the job. And then step 8, if you need to adjust temperature cycles, just go back and press M and adjust your temperature. And that way it will say you have a 24-hour print. You know, every couple hours you'll have to come in here and just click the button, and otherwise your filament dryer will automatically shut off as a safety precaution. But it's a very nice little filament dryer. Not that big. Let's see if they give us some specs here. I'm sure they do. Overall dimensions. You have 246 from front to back. You have 175 from side to side. And you have 242 from top to bottom. And it weighs 1.2 kilograms. So, if you're in any kind of moist environment, it's getting winter time right now. A lot of places are dry. I'm in the south, I'm in Florida, so it's always a little humid down here. So these come in very handy. Filament itself by nature pulls moisture out of the air, and that's why sometimes your prints are just crumble and fall apart, or you get a lot of nozzle clogs, or they don't want to come out right all the time, and you just have a lot of print issues. Try picking yourself up a filament dryer. They do wonders. I was skeptical at first, but they really do. They make a big difference. So, again, this is the Comgrow double filament dryer. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care, and see you on my next one. Bye.